Alec Whitten.
Have you ever asked yourself if there is an alternative to trees and other crops? Well, industrial hemp can do that and more. Only problem is it's illegal. Industrial hemp is not marijuana, and with your help we can legalize it. I've spent many hours researching industrial hemp to give it a solid case. There's a misconception that industrial hemp is a useless plant, when in fact it has many uses, and today I'll convince you to legalize it. First, we'll compare how industrial hemp is cultivated compared to other crops. Then, we'll see industrial hemp's economic benefits, and lastly, we'll compare products made from industrial hemp to products made of other materials. Industrial hemp is an easier crop to cultivate. Living in the South, we see many beautiful trees and forested areas, but at the rate we're going, we may need to chop these areas down. If we legalize industrial hemp, we can use hemp as an alternative to trees. With information found on www.hempbasics.com, access November 13, 2016. Let's look at industrial hemp compared to other crops. 1 acre of hemp can produce the equivalent of 2 to 3 acres of cotton and is stronger, softer, and lasts twice as long. 1 acre of hemp can produce the equivalent of 2 to 4 acres in trees and paper. Hemp plants block out weed growth and can grow in cool climates and do not need pesticides. There are concerns that growers will grow marijuana with industrial hemp. This is not possible because marijuana needs to be spaced out to grow, and this could cause crossbreeding, which would lower the THC levels of marijuana. Let's move on to industrial hemp as an economic benefits. Industrial hemp has economic benefits. In a Forbes magazine article titled Industrial Hemp, a win-win for the economy and the environment, written May 29, 2013 by Ahsoka, according to the Hemp Industrial Association, a non-profit organization consisting of hundreds of hemp industries. In 2012, the U.S. hemp industry was valued at $5 million in retail sales and hemp products. Currently, hemp is purchased from other countries. This could be money in our economy. Keeping industrial hemp illegal is hurting our economy. Allowing farmers to grow industrial hemp would put money in our farms. Legalizing industrial hemp would put out more money in our economy, and we would not have to buy hemp products from other countries. Industrial hemp as a crop is drought resistant and would save farmers money because the crop would not dry out. This also helps in water crises when there is limited rainfall. On www.votehemp.com, access November 14, 2016, a report titled the Vermont State Audit Report on the Domestic Cannabis Eradication Suppression Program, published 1998, 422,716,526 cannabis were eradicated. 419,660,022 of these were industrial hemp, which you cannot get high off of. Because of this misconception, a lot of industrial hemp was destroyed and money was wasted. In 2001, this was repeated again with the Boodangle program. Let's move on and compare industrial hemp products to products made with other materials. Industrial hemp products can be better than other products made with other materials. With information found on naihc.org, an article titled Hemp Facts, accessed November 14, 2016, Henry Ford used hemp to make an experimental car body, and BMW did the same thing to make cars more recyclable. Let's compare industrial hemp products to products made with other crops. Hemp seeds have more protein than soybeans and are more economic. Plastic substitutes made with hemp are stronger, durable, and more environmentally friendly than plastic. Hemp can make paper, which is better than tree paper. On www.army.mil, an article titled Army Regs Prohibited from Eating Popular Health War, Hemp Seed Source of Protein Banned by DA, posted April 17, 2015 by Rachel Trolliver, Fort Knox Public Affairs, access November 14, 2016, a ban on health war in the military because of hemp seeds. This is a misconception that you can get a high effect off of hemp. Later in the article, it states that the University of California claimed most of the THC is in the hull of the seed, which is removed during the process, and today's hemp seeds are produced to have less THC. In closing, industrial hemp as a crop has many uses and should be legalized. We've seen industrial hemp is easier to cultivate. Industrial hemp has economic benefits, and industrial hemp products are better for the people and the environment. Industrial hemp is the crop of the future, and with its many benefits, it can make a brighter future for the U.S. So why wait? Legalize it now for a better tomorrow.